Before buying warm white LED icicle lights, there's one thing you need to know that no product page will tell you. Many buyers complain about the quality and durability after just a few uses. It's essential to look beyond the pretty images and understand what really works. Product number 1, Alni Icicle Lights. Let's kick things off with the Alni Icicle Lights. This 41-foot string features 504 warm white LEDs and comes in at $22.49, which feels like a steal for the brightness and versatility you get. If you want reliable and easy-to-install lights for your holiday decor, this is worth a serious look. What stands out about these lights is their end-to-end expandability. You can connect up to 3 sets, which means you can cover a larger area for your outdoor displays. Plus, with 8 different lighting modes, including a dimmable option and a handy remote control, you can easily set the mood for your gatherings. The IP44 waterproof rating means you don't have to worry about rain ruining your setup, so it's perfect for outdoor use. Now I have to be honest, some users mentioned that the remote can be a bit finicky. Here's the thing though, if you're just hanging them up and using the steady-on mode, you might not even need the remote that often. Most people just want the lights to look great, and for that, these do the job wonderfully. This is perfect for you if you want an affordable option that offers good coverage and flexibility. Skip this one if you're looking for premium features or higher-end aesthetics. Overall, for the price, you can't beat the value here. Now, if the remote issue bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach with a touch control feature. Product number 2, Dazzle Bright Icicle Lights. Next up is the Dazzle Bright Christmas Icicle Lights, stretching a generous 88.5 feet with 1080 LEDs. Priced at $39.99, these lights are slightly more expensive, but they offer a superb cascading effect that truly catches the eye. If you want your home to be the showstopper on the block, these lights are definitely worth considering. With 8 different lighting modes, you can switch between twinkling, fading, and steady lights to create the perfect atmosphere for any occasion. Plus, the 180 drops are designed in varying lengths, which adds to the stunning visual appeal. That IP44 waterproof rating means these can withstand the elements too, so you can safely decorate outdoors without fear of damage. However, some users pointed out that the overall brightness might not be as intense as they expected. But here's my take. The charm of these lights lies in their soft glow, which creates a warm and inviting ambience rather than overwhelming brightness. If you're after a cozy vibe for your holiday gatherings, this might be exactly what you need. This is perfect for you if you have a larger area to cover and want lights that add character to your decor. Skip this one if you prefer a more straightforward installation without fuss. For the visual impact, though, it's a solid choice. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those looking for a budget-friendly alternative. Product number 3, Quinlight LED Icicle Lights. The Quinlight 300L LED Icicle Lights come in at a very affordable $15.99 and offer a solid 33 feet of warm white lighting. If you're on a tight budget but still want to make your space festive, this is a worthwhile pick. These lights are perfect for any occasion thanks to their 8 customizable modes. Whether you want a steady shine or a twinkling effect, you can easily control it. Plus, with a waterproof rating, they're suitable for both indoor and outdoor use. The 30V output means they're safe to touch even after hours of use, which is a great peace of mind if you have kids or pets around. One downside is that they can only connect up to 3 strings. Some users found that a bit limiting if they wanted to cover a larger area. But honestly, if you're just looking to spruce up a smaller space, this shouldn't be a deal breaker. They still provide ample light and charm. This is perfect for you if you want something affordable and effective for smaller decorations. Skip this one if you need extensive coverage for a large area. For the price, it's a fantastic value. Now, if you want something with a little more length and functionality, the next product really steps it up. Product number 4, Nilf Icicle Lights. Next, we have the Nilf Icicle Lights, which offer a generous 66 feet of lighting with 640 LEDs for $36.99. If you want high-quality and connectable lights, this is definitely something to check out. With 8 modes and a smart timer function, these lights are designed to be user-friendly. The memory function remembers your last setting, so you don't have to reset them each time you use them. Plus, the 29V voltage is UL certified, meaning you can use them safely without worrying about overheating. They're also waterproof, making them perfect for outdoor setups during any weather. However, some users noted that the lead wire could have been longer. I get that it can be frustrating if you have a specific setup in mind. But honestly, for the quality and brightness you get, the slight limitation isn't a deal breaker for most people. This is perfect for you if you need longer lights that still maintain safety and functionality. Skip this one if you're looking for something without the hassle of connecting multiple strings. You get great value for your money here. Now, if you want a more compact option, wait until you hear about the next lights. Product number 5, USOKYO Icicle Lights. Finally, we have the USOKYO Icicle Christmas lights measuring 39 feet with 480 LEDs priced at $26.99. If you want something that combines affordability with festive charm, this is a great choice. These lights come with 8 modes and a memory function, which means you can set them and forget them. They'll remember your last mode selection. Plus, they're waterproof, so whether you're decorating indoors or outdoors, you can rest easy knowing they'll hold up against the elements. The only downside is that some users mentioned they wish the drops were a little longer. But here's the thing. They still offer a beautiful twinkling effect and add a nice touch to your space without breaking the bank. This is perfect for you if you want a solid option without the premium price tag. Skip this one if you're looking for more elaborate designs or longer lengths. For the quality you get, it's a smart buy. That wraps up my top picks for warm white LED Icicle lights. So to quickly compare, the Alni lights are fantastic if you want affordability and flexibility, while Dazzle Bright offers stunning visuals for a larger setup. Quinlight is great for budget-conscious buyers. Neilfoy provides length and functionality, and USOKYO delivers charm without breaking the bank. No matter which one you choose, each has something special to offer for your holiday decorations.